Hala, hala, inside. Hala, inside. Hala ka! Wow! So, ladies final here in Mati City. So, Nadia, Grace Atis, Sophia Naparan, Wawa Nalo, Tandigan, Nicole. So, Loren Gibone, Laila, Elimi. Marami mo yan na! Wow! Sumutoy. Sumutoy, Grace Atis. Wow! Sumutoy, Grace Atis. Laila, Saira, Loren. Wow! Nakauna, Grace Atis. Wow! Saira Paco. Wow! Alaka. So, Grace Atis, ikaw na. Saira Paco on second. And then Laila Guro. So, Loren Gibone, ikaw pat. Ikalima, it's Rota. And then Sophia Naparan, Wawa Nalo, Kaileme, Nicole. So, Grace Atis versus Saira Paco.
From Liloy Sambuanga.
Wow.
On the third, Laila Guro.
Saira Paco on second, humahabol kay Grace Atis.
From Lorogan, Bukidnon.
Wow. Ara. Inside. Ara. Wow. Saira Paco on second. Wow. Lupad. Wow. Saira Paco, lupad. Grace Atis on the lead. Ara. Last two laps. Tuara Boylo kay Saira Bay. Grabe. Grabe naman talaga ito eh. Grabe naman talaga ito mga pangyayari dito eh. Tora. Allah. Oops. Wow. Oh, Wawa Nalo versus Kaileme. Ara. Grace Atis gyapon leading, Saira Paco on second. Dikit ang laban. Wow. Allah. Rapapap. Hoy, Grace Atis, amping. Allah, grabe kadikit. Ay, gilingi pa. Wow. Saira Paco gyapon on second pero andala sa likuran. Wow. Hala, inside. Hala ka! Wow! Hop, white flag.
Grace Atis inside. White flag, one more lap to go.
Hala ka! Okay. Wow. Grace Atis versus Saira Paco. Still leading. Hoy. Wow.
So this is the final round for the ladies open class. And
Grace Ates, Saira Pacon second. Wow! La Grace Ates yapon leading. Walk section, walk section. Walk section, walk section. Up inside. Wow! Wow! Ah, grabe! Lupag-lupag pa oh.
Okay, last two corners.
Last two corner. World champion Grace Ates. Wala. Champion Grace Ates.
Part of the race. Dito na.
Wow. Nilupad si Saira. Grabe. Woo!
Okay, ayun na nakituyog ha. Okay, magkalita. The next in line, 65.
Grabe.
Uy,
La Loren versus Laila. Wow, 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 wow. Inside, inside, inside. Wow. Agay, agay, agay. Palong pa. Hahaha. Empat Laila. Ikalima si Rota.
65.
And then Sophia na paran. So champion Grace Ates. Wawa Nalo, Kylie May.
Pagya rider, pagya.
And then Nicole. Chikard.
Dito na tayo, 65. Then 85.
Chikard.
Executive. Then local idol.